Is it truly big hair friendly? Melting, melting. Ooh, BGMgirl Hair. All right.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you if you're gonna waste your time.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Adri Land. We will be installing this wig. You guys stay tuned to see how the process went. And is it truly big hair friendly? So you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video because I know you guys want to see the details on this wig. So here we are looking all crusty and dusty. We got this wig from BGMgirl Hair. Yo, I was dying to order this wig. I watched Brittany Rivers' video. That is the second video that I went straight to the link. And she saved me $40. So we got this in less than 4 days, you guys. 4 freaking days. Okay, we're gonna open it. Y'all, we back in our wig bag for real. I purchased this with my own money. So yeah, this wig, it was supposed to be $166, but it ended up being $118, so almost $40. This is so cool. Okay, hold on. Yo, this is so cute. I haven't had a wig in so long. Oh yeah, love. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. Ooh. Oh my god, I like this. It's like a swim floaty. Yeah, this is super cute. Love. Oh my gosh, it came with a bag for me. Super cute. This is a bob. It's a 12 inch. This is a 9x6. It's pre-bleached. It's glueless. Honey, we're about to see what it's giving. Love. This packaging is so cute. This is so cute. Black girl magic. Black girl magic! I broke the box! Now I made the box boneless, y'all. Ooh, pretty. Ooh. We got some goodies here. It came in this really cute bag, you guys. We got a bunny. We got an edge brush. Super cute. And of course it's pink. Hello. We got a BGMgirl melting band. They sent us a regular wig cap and an HD wig cap. We're gonna use the HD wig cap because mine from Amazon, yeah, they're hiding somewhere. Okay, BGMgirl with the swag. I'm gonna switch it out. Give me a minute. Cute. Cute, cute. I love you guys. This is so cute. I feel like a chef. Look. BGMgirl Hair. All right, so we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put our HD cap on. Put it on like that, okay? Yeah. A cute pamphlet. Ooh. Pre-plucked and pre-bleached. That's amazing, and I think it's pre-cut too. Y'all, it's freaking pre-cut. I can see where they bleached it. Oh my god! Please be big enough because I have a really big head. For small, medium, and large, I believe large is this last one, which is the one we were going to be looking at. It comes with an elastic band, an adjustable band. Ooh, it doesn't have like grabby lace at the back of the head. You can remove the combs. You guys, you can remove the combs. It has this grippy thing. I don't know what I'm doing for real. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, we probably gonna take this wig cap off. Oh my god, I took the comb off. We need extra security. It is truly glueless. Y'all, look at these. Is the bob bobbing? Is it bobbing? Bobbiana? Y'all, this is so cute. But it's a little tall up here. Yeah, we gonna have to put some makeup on it. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, BGMgirl Hair. Combs don't even really go in for real. pretty good too that my hair comes out right here. It actually helps. It's not truly wear and go because I have to put makeup on it or lace tint. We're gonna see how it looks when we add a little makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna have to melt that in, y'all, cause this it's a little boneless though. Actually, I don't know, it's a little more dense than I thought it was gonna be. So it's not truly glueless. Maybe I'll put makeup on the inside. We'll see how that works. We're about to start over, cause that's what we should have done in the first place. Cause my lace spray is somewhere, y'all. I don't know where it's at. We're gonna take this off actually. Ooh, should we? Oh my god. Okay, that's a little better. Wish these combs weren't so removable. Yeah, I need better security. I need better security for my big old head. But it looks pretty good. The wind can't blow. If I melt it down, we should be good. Because this wig is too small for me. If I just gotta up and go somewhere, I'm a little sad. I feel like you gotta lay your real edges. And it's mostly flat, so it's not that bad. I like how pre-plucked it is though, but yeah, I'm gonna need a frontal with my big old head. Trying to be lazy and this is what I get. Or trying to be resourceful and put a little more. It looks really good right here. It looks so good right here. We're gonna go in with our spritz, y'all. We need it as boneless as it can be. Why I do that? That was dumb. It looks like it's already blending in. Hold on, we getting somewhere. Hold on, we might be getting somewhere. Hold on. I just so happened to do my makeup first today, y'all. And I thought it was truly gonna be like glueless. Don't mind this little part. It's just gonna look like it's my real hair. It's actually not bad. Okay. Hold on, BGMgirl Hair. I actually like it because my natural edges are out. Yeah, I'm using a makeup brush. Don't judge me. We melting, honey. We melting. Melting, melting. BGMgirl melt band. Okay. Swag. What was that? How that song go? I'm like, is my head even too big for the melt band? Hold on. As far as this specific wig being big head friendly, honey, not for me. Maybe it's user error, but my head is a size 24 inches in circumference. I feel like frontals are gonna be more for me. Now, if they had an option like specifically to make you for a large head, then I feel a lot better about that. Oh, I wanna cry. Nothing's been working out today. Ooh, this cute. I like how flat it lays. This is a really good wig. It's just my head is too big. That's all. It made an exception, but I'm actually have to lay my actual edges. I got this intentionally for me to be able to just throw on and go. So I can. Just no high wind days. Cool, cool, cool. I had high hopes for this wig. This hair is super silky. You saw how straight it was out the pack. I can actually pull a 12-inch off. I'm just not a 9x6 girl. I need my full 13x6 inches. Got the little flyaways. Lay down them little flyaways. Got that big old braid at the top. Shame on me. So we're just gonna take our Foxy Bay flat iron real quick. I was not expecting this. I'm not left-handed, so yeah, this is most likely just gonna be like a straight content wig. I cannot wear this out, y'all, if I want to feel secure. And it's a good thing I shoot a lot of content inside the house. But it's so freaking cute. Definitely could take some good pictures in this. But now my head plus size. You know, they say just bump it a little bit in the back. Just bump it. This part cooperating. It's this side that's cooperating. Let's save this with a little concealer, y'all. This ain't gonna let me be great today. Here you go. Jesus.
That was pretty good though.
For me putting makeup originally. Y'all, what did I do to myself? I feel like it's gonna be super cute. I bet you it's gonna eat. Not I love this lace though. Why is the lace so good? And it's doing the thing where it goes up and back. I might be amazingly mistaken, cause what? Y'all look at that. This is my real hair. Look at how it looks, y'all. What? This part right here. Look at how good this looks. I love the laces. The only thing that messed me up was the fact that I put the spritz where I had makeup at. Other than that, everything looks good. I ain't even gotta do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway just because. How doing? I just messed something up, didn't I? Okay, hold on. Is it over now? You guys, this looks so good. Oh my god, I feel like Kyla Pratt. Ooh, you tripping. Hold on. Probably didn't put it over far enough. Always something, ain't it? Always something. Ugh. All in all, I love this wig, except, yeah, not a lot of movement because I'm scared the comb is gonna fly away. I don't have the band super tight. This looks so good. Y'all hear my neck? I knew it was gonna eat with the red nails though.
They have a gym there. You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her.
I love you guys so much, y'all. I will leave the link down below if you guys would like this wig. You see my head is big as hell, but if yours isn't big, this will be amazing on you. I'm not blaming them at all. This is amazing. Whatever kind of lace they use, hopefully just lift a little so that tomorrow I could pull this over some. Maybe if I tilt the part a little bit. Tilt the part is crazy. What? We're gonna be doing way more wig installs, y'all. This was the easiest one. Easiest freaking wig install. Ooh, it's so good and silky. And it doesn't like come all the way up here in the back. I feel like Monica. Yeah, it feels so cute. I love boneless lace. You guys like, share, comment, subscribe. You guys want to see more videos like this from me. I am definitely gonna be buying more wigs, girl. We got 2 wigs coming from. I'll let y'all find it in the next video. Love you guys.